I think that when everyone leaves here that they should go, one, reinvigorated to keep working hard and keep doing the right thing, to know exactly where we stand on the issue, and then to know what strategies are best to be employed in what places, what states, what cities, what towns, what communities. And I think that if we get that, if we get the motivation and strategic vision, I think we'll have everything that we need.
What I want to see is how we're going to really keep the fire of the obesity movement going forward. I feel like we're making tremendous progress, but because of that, we're getting a lot of pushback because we're asking for social change, and that's not easy. And we're committed to seeing that social change through.
And so I'm really interested in looking at what are the strategies, what are the approaches that need to take place in order to hit at low-income communities, communities of color, in a really explicit way so that we can make sure that everybody, when we lift all boats, everybody gets lifted as well.
My hope is that in 2 to 4 years, the landscape will have changed so that healthy communities where healthier foods are available in schools, in community-based settings, in healthcare settings, will be the norm and not the exception, where physical activity will be accessible to all kids and adults at no cost, no matter where they live.
Our mantra is make the healthy choice the easy choice, and the reason we want to do that is we know that we need to eat healthier and exercise more, but we also know those are really difficult to do. And so if we can work with companies, change products, make services easier, but the bottom line is making it easier for those families to be healthier, hey, that's what we think is going to help move the needle. Lots of things need to happen to fight this problem, but we think if we can make it easy for our families, it's a great way to do it.
For the next Weight of the Nation conference in 3 years, or hopefully if that happens sooner, I hope to hear about more successes and more collaboration that's been happening, and how we further have been able to engage the national media and social media to really create a true grassroots movement, but to also have leadership within all of our federal agencies, state agencies, and local agencies, so we truly have a network that's transforming America.
But at the time's now. If we don't make the changes now, we've got the momentum, we've got the science, we've got the energy. The time is now to make the changes, and we can't back off just because there's pressure coming at us. It shows that we're on the right path.